Alright, today we are going to be looking at how to create a custom page as well as how to add that link for the new page in our menu up here. So let's go ahead and get started. Since I'm already logged in here, I'm just going to go ahead and go to admin. Once I'm in admin, I'm going to go to content and files and down to custom pages. As you can see, as of right now, we just got these two. So let's go ahead and create our new. We're going to create this one. We're going to call it, let's call it Our Story. And we probably just want to keep the menu, the name, the same. And I've actually already got some dummy text here on hand, so we're just going to go ahead and dump that in there. Let's go ahead and hit save. And as you see, it takes us back to our page here, but obviously we want to make a few edits to this. So let's go back in. And as you can see, we have our page title, we have our content, but if we look here, this is the default URL that is generated by the site, and it's not exactly what we want. We want a little something more SEO friendly instead of just a bunch of numbers and characters. So in order to change that, we're going to go down here, as you can see, to the custom URL field, and we're going to, we'll keep it simple, we'll just call it Our Story. See, we already have it here. And again, I like to note the dash. The dash, when we're creating these custom URLs, we want to put everything that's after the .com. We don't want to put the entire URL in there, because eventually when the new site goes live, it will break. So it is very important that you just leave it dash and then put whatever you want to name it there. After we've done that, we're going to go ahead and hit save again. It'll take us back. So let's go back into our page here. As you can see, that's a lot better than a bunch of numbers and letters and characters that don't make any sense. So now that we have that, let's go view this new page in the store. As you can see, there it is. So now we want to put this page, and we want to add a link up here so people can actually go to it. So let's go ahead, while we are on this page, go ahead and turn on design mode. And when we turn on design mode, we'll see that we want to edit this top menu, so let's go ahead and get into that. And what we'll do, we'll give it a name. So again, let's just keep it simple. We'll call it Our Story. And again, the link URL, what we were just talking about, as you remember, it was /Our Story. And that's where it's going to take us, because again, everything after the .com is what we want to include in there only. So once we're done with that, we don't have to worry about this. We don't have to worry about any of these fields right here. We're just going to go ahead and select New. As you can see, it pops it down at the bottom by default, but let's say I don't want to leave it in the bottom. I want to put it just about after us. So we'll just use these arrows here, and we'll inch our way up. And I like it right there. So after we're done with that, we'll go ahead and hit OK. And now let's go to our store. And there she is. So let's turn off design mode. So we're on our home page here, and then we've just created this new link in our menu called Our Story, and it should take us to our new page. And there it is. It's that simple. And that is how you create a custom page as well as add the new link into the menu.